Hey Sarah, have you been to this bowling alley before?
No, this is my first time. I'm not very good at bowling, though.
Don't worry, let me help you choose a ball. What size shoe do you wear?
I wear size 7. Do I need special shoes?
Yes, you have to rent bowling shoes. They're more comfortable and safe.
It's okay. And how do I pick the right ball?
Try this one, put your fingers in the holes. Does it feel heavy?
A little bit. Should I use a lighter one?
Yes, I recommend starting with a lighter ball, maybe 8 or 10 pounds.
This blue one feels better. Now what do I do?
Stand behind this line, hold the ball with both hands first.
Like this. Should I throw it really hard?
No, don't throw it. Roll it smoothly along the lane.
Oh, I see. Should I aim for the middle?
Actually, I recommend aiming slightly to the side of the middle pin,
Really? Why not straight down the middle?
because the angle helps knock down more pins, trust me.
Okay, here I go. Wish me luck.
Wait, take a few steps forward as you roll. It gives you more power.
Like walking and rolling at the same time.
Exactly, just 3 or 4 steps, don't run.
Got it. This is more complicated than I thought.
You'll get the hang of it quickly, just have fun.
All right, here goes nothing. Oh no, it's going into the gutter.
That's okay, everyone does that at first, try again.
Should I use the bumpers? I saw some kids using them.
That's a great idea. I definitely recommend bumpers for beginners.
Yes, please. At least I'll hit some pins that way.
Let me ask the staff to turn them on for you.
Thanks, you're a good teacher. Can I try again now?
Go for it, remember light ball, small steps, smooth roll.
I got 6 pins. That's much better.
See, I told you you're a natural.
This is actually really fun. Should we get some snacks?
Good idea, I recommend the nachos here. They're delicious.
Perfect. But you're paying since you beat me so badly.
Haha, deal, but next time you'll beat me for sure.